Hello, welcome back to another Lexus video. It's Luke again. I wanted to do a quick video about some questions I've been getting about notifications coming onto your phone. There's a lot of notifications you can get on the phone about your car. There's a bunch of different things that can come up, such as rear seat reminders or vehicle health alerts. Some people really don't like them, and I've recently got some questions about these notifications, how to turn them off. So I wanted to make a real quick video to show you how to turn these off using the Lexus app.
All right, now let's open up our phone and find our Lexus app. Now from here on the main screen, what you're going to want to do is in the top right, there's a picture over there that looks like the symbol of a person. Click on that. From there should be a button that says notifications. And then from there, you should be able to see all these notification settings that you can choose to turn on and off. A lot of people don't like the rear seat reminder ones, so sometimes they turn that off. Some people don't like the doors or the lights, so they turn those off. Some people like all of them. I've just been getting a lot of questions recently about these notification settings.
That's all I really wanted to go over real quickly. I'm working on a bigger video right now. Just wanted to put that out because I've been getting some questions about it. So I wanted to put out a quick video to show you how to do it. Thank you. Have a good day.